Did legal battles secure equality after slavery and Reconstruction? Imagine a time when the hopes of true equality for Black Americans were written into the Constitution. The years after slavery ended were full of promises and fierce struggles. During Reconstruction, the government tried to make laws to protect the rights of formerly enslaved people. The 13th Amendment officially abolished slavery. The 14th Amendment promised citizenship and equal protection under the law. The 15th Amendment aimed to secure voting rights for Black men. Congress also passed laws like the Civil Rights Acts of 1866 and 1875 and the Enforcement Acts of 1870 and 1871. These laws were meant to stop violence and intimidation and to enforce the new rights. But laws alone could not change everything overnight. The Supreme Court made decisions that limited the power of these laws. In the case of United States v. Cruikshank in 1875, the court said the federal government could not punish individuals who hurt Black people. This decision made it harder to fight racial violence. In the civil rights cases of 1883, the court declared the Civil Rights Act of 1875 unconstitutional. It said the government could not stop private businesses from discriminating. Later, in Plessy v. Ferguson in 1896, the court upheld laws that separated Black and white people under the separate but equal rule. These rulings, along with the withdrawal of federal troops from the South in 1877, allowed white supremacist groups to take control. They created Jim Crow laws that enforced racial segregation. Black voters faced literacy tests, poll taxes, and violence meant to keep them from voting. Lynchings and threats became common, and Black political leaders were often attacked or driven out. Despite these setbacks, Black Americans and their allies kept fighting. They used legal challenges to push for change, laying the groundwork for future civil rights movements. The amendments and laws from Reconstruction became the foundation for later victories. In the mid-20th century, cases like Brown v. Board of Education and laws like the Civil Rights Act of 1960 were built on this history. The era of Reconstruction showed that legal battles could create important principles, but laws by themselves could not erase deep-rooted racism. It was a time of hope that faced harsh opposition. The courts and government failed to fully protect Black rights, which allowed racial discrimination to grow for many decades. Still, the efforts during this period helped shape the ongoing fight for justice and equality in America.